What's going on, everybody? This is Rider Red coming at you from Siberia. It's a cold November day, and this might actually be a very interesting video. I just picked up a GoPro Hero 5 Black, which I'm honestly excited about, but I didn't buy it, alright? A friend of mine, a really good friend of mine, offered me to borrow it. Of course I took on that offer, because I wanted to see how the super view looks. I want to see how the dash looks. My camera doesn't have a super view, so I'm really curious to see how the whole change is, and if it looks good for you guys. Hopefully it does look good for you guys. Seems like we're gonna be here for a little while. Damn it. What is that white stuff on my thumb? Cue some inappropriate jokes. And here's the government personnel. You know what? I'm not even mad at this point that they made me wait there. Look at the empty street here. This is pretty good, actually. Part of the reason why I like standing in the red light is that once it's green, I'm gonna have a free road to ride. And I mean, look at this. Look at how empty it is. Thank you, Mr. Officer. This honestly feels good, but here's the deal. I figured I'll shoot a short introduction with that whole GoPro. And I'm about to meet my friend. We're about to have some coffee. You guys know I like coffee. I'm going to take the opportunity to put on the GoPro on my helmet and see if I like the difference, guys. Alright guys, this is already the GoPro, and hopefully everything is going fine. It's my first time using this camera, so I just really hope that everything is working right now. Also, for your knowledge, I'm recording both GoPro external microphone and my own mic inside my helmet, so hopefully there's no phasing issues either. So let me know, guys, is this a good camera view? You enjoy this GoPro? The hell is that? Bus of death, man. You'll see a lot of weird stuff in this country, man, on the roads. I'm also going to take the opportunity to talk about the plans for the winter, because the riding season is soon to be over. This mother... Can you believe it? Alright, so the plans for the winter. What I've done today is already shot another video about why I don't ride during winter, and that's a question I get a lot. That is both from people who don't ride and a lot of people on the motorcycle forums or Reddit. I'm actually stacking up on some vlog footage that I'm gonna release over the winter, which I assume is gonna be late November or December. Let's see how faster riding looks on this camera. Now, apart from motovlogs, like you guys know, I do live streaming of some Rainbow Six, and I'm also gonna do what I had last year in mind, which is some podcasts with other writers. I'll see how I go about that. I'll see who I get in touch with. But if you guys want, just hit me a comment or a message on Instagram, Facebook, wherever, right? And we'll figure something out. One thing I really don't like about this season is the sun is always in your face. It takes such a weird low angle that you just can't see properly, no matter what you do. I mean, you try to put on a visor. I've tried sunglasses. It's just, there's all sorts of flares right in your eyes, you know what I mean? Alright, these kids seem to be liking this. That little girl was staring at me for like 5 minutes while I was at the red stoplight. I think this might be it for the video. I know it's not gonna be the most interesting or entertaining video, but I wanted to shoot a vlog and see how it looks. And overall, I wanted to hear your guys' opinion, because your opinion matters to me the most. So let me know how this looks. Hopefully it does look good. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I really want to hear your opinions on this, and whether I should get a GoPro or not. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new, and do hit that like button, guys. This was Ryder in Red, and I'll see you in the next video.